Welcome to my channel. Hi ladies! If your hair feels tired, dry, or damaged and you've been dreaming of bringing it back to life, today's review is for you. I'm sharing my experience with the Oribe Gold Lust Transformative Mask, a luxury treatment that promises to restore strength, deep hydration, and that salon-like shine we all love. Let's find out if this mask is really worth the gold. Oribe Gold Lust Transformative Mask. Restore overworked hair to its prime with each dose of the Oribe Gold Lust Transformative Mask. This luxurious, deeply restorative treatment is designed for hair that has endured years of styling, coloring, or environmental stress. The mask works like a reset button, replenishing essential moisture, repairing visible damage, and giving your strands back their natural strength and radiance. Crafted with Oribe's signature biorestorative complex, this mask targets the cuticle, cortex, and scalp simultaneously to ensure that every layer of your hair gets the care it deserves. Damaged strands feel fortified, split ends are smoothed, and dull, brittle hair is instantly transformed into silky, luminous locks. The formula is rich yet lightweight, so it deeply nourishes without weighing hair down, making it suitable for all textures from fine to thick. What truly sets this mask apart is its blend of time-honored oils and extracts. Argan oil restores softness and manageability, white tea extract delivers antioxidant protection, and jasmine and baobab oil help to improve elasticity and shine. Each use feels indulgent, not just for your hair but for your senses. The mask carries Oribe's iconic signature fragrance that leaves a lingering touch of luxury long after rinsing. Whether your hair has been bleached, heat-styled, chemically treated, or simply feels parched and lifeless, this transformative mask brings it back to a healthier, more youthful state. Regular use creates hair that looks strong, feels touchably soft, and radiates vitality from root to tip. Benefits: dermatologist tested, safe and gentle on the scalp, ensuring comfort even for sensitive skin. Free from harsh additives, formulated without parabens, sulfates, or sodium chloride, making it safe for color-treated and keratin-treated hair. Deep repair revitalizes damaged strands by infusing hydration and essential nutrients. Strength and elasticity, biorestorative ingredients strengthen the cuticle and improve hair's resilience against breakage. Shine and softness leaves hair silky, smooth, and light-reflecting with every application. Lightweight luxury provides intense nourishment without leaving a heavy or greasy residue. Long-lasting results. Regular use helps maintain healthier, shinier, and more manageable hair over time. Suggested use: to maximize the benefits of the Oribe Gold Lust Transformative Mask, incorporate it into your weekly hair care ritual. After shampooing, gently squeeze out excess water from your hair and apply a generous amount of the mask. Massage it thoroughly from mid-lengths to ends, ensuring even distribution. For added scalp nourishment, work a small amount toward the roots as well. Allow yourself to indulge by leaving the mask on for at least 1 minute. For deeper hydration and repair, extend the treatment time up to 5 minutes. The luxurious texture melts into the hair, making each moment feel like a spa-like experience. Rinse thoroughly with warm water and style as desired. Use 1 to 2 times per week, depending on your hair's needs. For those with heavily damaged or chemically treated hair, more frequent use can help restore softness and strength more quickly. Pairing the mask with Oribe's Gold Lust shampoo or other treatments from the Gold Lust collection enhances its results, creating the ultimate restorative routine. After just 1 application, you'll notice hair that feels smoother, stronger, and revitalized. With continued use, the transformation becomes even more noticeable. Dull, brittle strands evolve into healthy, lustrous hair that truly lives up to the promise of gold. To buy this product, go to check link in the description box. Please subscribe my channel. Watch the next video. Thanks for watching.